Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for a quick product spotlight looking at Fine Accoutrements. Well, Fine is not new to Razor Emporium, nor is it new to the shaving scene. In fact, Fine has a very interesting and common beginning with Razor Emporium. The owner, Todd Cerami, he got started in 2005, the exact same way I got started, which is literally finding by chance the famous MSN article by Corey Greenberg about traditional wet shaving. I swear this article probably sprouted the wet shaving movement as you know it today, because I know I got started in it. It sounds like he got started in it. I know Mantic, 59, Mark from Sharpologist got started right around that same time. A lot of people did. That article woke up a lot of people about changing up the way of shaving. And Corey saw that article. He went down this path of looking at traditional grooming products, and he started to really love the splash. He loved the last kind of finish up of your shaving experience and throwing on the splash. And pretty soon he found himself blending his own splashes and aftershaves, and that led to the soaps and everything else that Fine now represents. We've been stocking Fine. Again, it's one of the brands I think we started with, I want to say circa 2015, so coming up on probably 9-10 years of stocking Fine. And there's been ebbs and flows, there's been ups and downs with it selling, and obviously it's also carried at a lot of other stores and it's probably online as well, so we're competing with customers out there, but it's the staple in the shaving community, and I love carrying it. In fact, recently it underwent some changes. I know back in November 2020, he had an issue because originally the soaps were all made at the same factory as Tabak in Germany, right? And that place started to shut down and close down its factory, and so he had to find another place to manufacture his products. At one point, he may or may not have even approached us to help him, but I think it looks like at this moment he's using a European, in fact Italian manufacturer for the shaving soaps. So you can see the little Italian logo here, the little flag made in Italy on the soaps. But the aftershaves are still made in USA. They have the American flag on the back. And I know he's based out of New York. And so I wouldn't doubt if either he has a co-packer or he may just be filling the bottles himself. Because if you get a good dispenser, it's not hard work. And then having the soaps made elsewhere. But we also now carry the EDPs. So if you love these fragrances, they have the stronger concentrated version of them. But this is probably one of the classic lines out there. Not only is it classic in the sense that it looks classic, and he went with super nice traditional artwork, even his names, the color scheme, the logo, of course. In fact, I think that is supposed to kind of look like Mr. Fine himself, Mr. Todd Cerami. But, I think that the fragrances he chose and the way it looks, he's going after that Americana, the classic kind of golden years of wet shaving experience that we all can fondly think of and remember. But it represents a high quality line of products, widely available, easy to use, classic scents. And I've used it many times. I'm a fan, and we've been stocking them. Our customers seem to love them. We're going to take just a few moments to go through some of these and talk about them in depth. Fine Italian Citrus is a timelessly sublime fragrance blend of citrus and florals inspired by Acqua di Parma Colonia, 1916, the signature scent of the finest Italian tailors and the epitome of Mediterranean panache. Fine Platinum is a crisp and sophisticated fragrance that radiates success. Inspired by Creed Adventus from 2010, the scent features a spicy pineapple top note over a smoky oak moss base note and exudes the confidence born of wearing a perfectly tailored suit. Fine Snakebite isn't a fragrance as much as an experience. Get peak performance with an intense cooling sensation to bring your shave to the next level. As a more refined take on the scent of traditional shaving cream, Fine American Blend captures and celebrates the essence of shaving itself. Inspired by Rêve Gouache pour Homme, 2003, by Yves Saint Laurent, the scent calls to mind warm cream accompanied by tonic leather and chrome. Well, if you haven't already done so, check out Fine. Check out the Snakebite American Blend, whichever one you get. It can be a part of your shaving den, a nice variety, an accoutrement to join your shaving den, your shaving experience. Check them out. Get one of the soaps, the splashes, and experience a fine shave today. That's all I got. Thanks for tuning in to Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.